All right, we're going to kind of gloss through these. These are in your book. It's the Uniform Crime Reports. It shows you how the data is collected and the different burglaries, rape, robbery, and things like that, and the actual graphs that's collected for each one of those. And it's just something that I just asked you to also do. And it gives you the information about the offenders of the crime and the demographics and difference of the offenders involving in the crimes. The limitations, obviously, like any data collected, there's limitations. So they could be flawed for the majority of crime categories except homicide. So that's what I was talking about, where they could say, was it a burglary? Was it a robbery? Let's go with the robbery, and somebody else can go with the burglary, and it could be multiple different things. Obviously, only the crimes that are reported to police is what's going to be captured because there are a ton of crimes that go on and are not reported to police. Cops aren't going to do anything anyway. My car got broken into, my laptop, the insurance is going to cover it or whatever, and they never reported. And the limited definitions of crimes maybe could fit under something else, but because we only have the certain categories that we submit them to, they don't get counted. And again, what I told you already, the hierarchy rule, the most serious crime is reported in case where multiple crimes are committed during a single event. We already touched on that. All right, so let's look at this here. The crime clock for violent crimes. One murder is committed every 35 minutes, all right? 35.4 to be certain. Murders are most likely committed by someone the person knows, all right? And one forcible rape or robbery, all right, is committed every 6.2 minutes. And one robbery is committed every 1.5 minutes. And one aggravated assault every 41.5 seconds. All right, here's what I want you to do. You already have 4 different videos under this PowerPoint that you've already watched. And they have the little numbers of how long each one of them is. Like the first one could be 8 minutes, 45 seconds, the other one 10 minutes or whatever. I want you to tell me by the time this video ends, right, that we're at the very end, how many murders have happened, how many forcible rapes have already happened, how many robberies have happened, and how many aggravated assaults have happened, just in this limited time frame that it takes you to watch these 4 modules of the assignments all together. It shouldn't be too hard. You don't have to go, oh my gosh, you can add them up as you go because they all have the different numbers attached to them. All right, NIMBRS, I call it, the National Incident-Based Reporting System. Same exact thing. It's a collection data overall, and it collects 46 different specific crime known as Group A offenses and 11 lesser offenses known as Group B. And so we're going to watch a video here of what the NIMBRS is and what it includes with time data. Same type of thing, just a different database of things that are collected. This one actually does change the hierarchy rule. They include everything. And not only the completed crimes, attempted are also completed under there. So here is the video that I want you guys to watch. Okay, so after watching this video here and explaining the NIBRS, tell me 3 things you learned from watching this video. Okay, 3 different things, and we're the limitations. A lot of agencies are slow because they like the uniform crime reports. However, it's already taken a lot more now. Here's the data collected, like we stated earlier. There's a nice little graph that not only shows you the suspect information, however, it gives you the information on the victims and gives you the background of the victimization survey, which I think would be good because I can go around. I'm like, oh, there's a potential victim. There's a potential victim. There's a potential victim. Gives you all that information there. And this right here, I want you to watch this video here and answer the question which is in the video. So it kind of gives you some information in there. So the actual assignment, I'm not going to tell you because you got to watch actually that video to get that assignment. And from that assignment, this is what you should be answering from the database. is on the National Crime Victimization Survey and the data collected within it. And in conclusion, there are several ways to think about the prevalence of crime in society. And those are the 4 different things that you will learn under all the PowerPoint that I just presented. All right? Good job. Week 3. Next week will be your first month in the class. Hang in there. You guys can do it. Take care. See you in the next module. Bye-bye.